Thank you for purchasing a Sentry Ride-On scrubber. This video will walk you through unpacking and setting up your new scrubber for its first use. As a trusted leader in the cleaning industry since 1907, Hillyard is committed to delivering high-quality products that meet your needs. If you need any assistance with your Sentry floor scrubber, please don't hesitate to call us at 877-445-5927. We're here to help. Cut the banding and remove the carton. Set aside the items packed on the seat and floorboard. Cut the banding holding the machine to the pallet. Remove the ramps from the front of the machine and place them at the back of the pallet. Using a mallet and a pry bar, remove the chocks around the wheels. Push the machine backward down the ramp. Lift the recovery tank by pulling the lever on the machine's right side. Once the tank is lifted, it will expose the battery compartment. Connect the batteries to the machine. After connecting the batteries, pull the same lever on the right side to lower the recovery tank back into place. Place the squeegee on the squeegee bracket. Ensure the washer and spring on the squeegee are above the mounting bracket. Tighten both knobs. Attach the vacuum hose to the squeegee. Attach brushes to the machine by aligning the lugs on the brush with the openings on the clutch plate. Next, lift the brush and sharply turn it clockwise to insert the lugs into the spring clips. Before you use the machine for the first time, charge the batteries completely. Lift the recovery tank to open the battery compartment. Move the rubber flap covering the battery charger. Plug the charger cord into the battery charger. Plug the other end of the charger cord into an outlet. Wait until the battery charger indicates a full charge. Your Sentry scrubber is now ready to use. If the squeegee assembly is not performing correctly when cleaning, you can adjust it. You will need one 10mm socket wrench and one 10mm open-end wrench for these steps. To adjust the squeegee angle, first hold the adjustment bolt and loosen the jam nut on the bolt located on the right side of the assembly. Next, turn the adjustment bolt to the desired position, then tighten the jam nut to secure the bolt in place. The squeegee will work best when it is level. As blades wear, you may want to adjust the squeegee height. Use the two knobs on the squeegee support to raise and lower the wheels to level the squeegee. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, visit Hillyard.com or contact our expert technical service team at 877-445-5927. At Hillyard, we specialize in the repair and preventive maintenance of all major brands of cleaning equipment. With service technicians throughout the United States, we're ready to help keep your machines running smoothly. Contact us today to schedule a repair or consultation.